Our next speaker is from the holy land of Karbala, from a holy shrine of a personality known for his bravery, courage, valor, and loyalty. He is known as the moon of the Hashemites, standard bearer of Islam, defender and protector of Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his family and companions on the land of Karbala. An example of his loyalty were his words on the bank of the river Euphrates. I quote, "O water, how could I drink thou when the little children of Imam Hussein alayhi salam are thirsty?" And also his famous words on the day of Ashura, "Those who die for God live forever. Those who fight against God perish forever. Blessed are those who sacrifice their life for the pleasure of God." Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam may have lost his arms, but he continues to write our destiny. Our next speaker is Sheikh Ali Mohan Tai from Al Abbas Holy Shrine, who will be enlightening us with his thoughts. Please welcome him with a loud salawat.
I seek protection in Allah from the accursed devil. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. All praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. Peace be upon Muhammad and his pure progeny. Peace be upon Imam Hussein and Ali, son of Hussein, and sons of Hussein, and the companions of Hussein. Peace be upon the moon of the tribe, the quencher for thirst of Karbala, Abu al-Fazl al-Abbas. Peace be upon the lady Zainab, the possessor of immense patience, the daughter of the leader of faithful. Peace be upon you, our generous attendees. On behalf of His Eminence, the legitimate custodian of Al Abbas Holy Shrine, the scholar of Islam and Muslims, Sayyid Ahmad al-Safi, may Allah prolong his life with good health. I pray to Allah to keep His great blessing of memories of Imam Hussein upon you. It is always the will of Allah for the light of Imam Hussein to be extended to the vast distance. Organizing this conference for the last 20 years is one of the evidence. This kind effort that you are making possesses the great profit in this life and hereafter. The greatest service that Imam Hussein, peace be upon him, has delivered to the humanity was his uprise against oppression to seek reform. Imam Hussein considers the human being as the greatest value. By following the Islamic legislation, the human being can be integrated and upraised in this life and to gain the highest stage in the hereafter. Imam Hussein has sacrificed his life to save the humanity from ignorance and astray. Therefore, the day of the 10th of Muharram, Ashura, will be remembered as the day of Imam Hussein. The value of this day will last till the day of judgment. Hence, there is no day like the day of Imam Hussein, Ashura. Finally, we should upload the good efforts afforded by Mr. Agha Sultan and his contributions in spreading the message of Imam Hussein in India and other countries. I pray to Allah to bless all of us to be able to participate in this event next year when this pandemic is over. May Allah protect and save you, and praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. Peace be upon Muhammad and his pure progeny.